You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right here on Binance, I did a video a few days ago and I talked about this very which in an uptrending market, and I talked about the market breaking out at this very level. You see right here, the market has already broken out. So if you take this trade, congratulations to you. Here, market breaks out and up to this very level. So congratulations to all my followers out there. If you are following my analysis and if you take this trade as well, congratulations. So let's dive right into this video. So what do you think Bitcoin is going to do in the next coming days? So I have a very nice analysis here for you, but before I go into that, please help subscribe to this very channel, Remit Trade. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Let's make this academy grow faster. So right here on Binance, I did a video on BTC breaking out of this very level, and Bitcoin has already broken out, and right here Bitcoin is retracing a little bit at this very area right now. So I am still very much optimistic about BTC going right way up. So if you are an investor, keep holding your portfolio, keep holding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. And then if you are trading as well on the entire, it is still a nice time to keep holding as well while we ride the up move together. So right now, I am still very optimistic, like I said earlier, about BTC. But if you look at the price action right here, something very important and fascinating is this. I want to show you something. If you look at this very level right here, you see markets have created a descending triangle. So I talk about this descending triangle right here. So what is happening right now on Bitcoin is that we still have this very resistance right here. Not only that, there's a horizontal resistance right here as well that will hinder the market even at this very point. So I want to see a breakout of this very red line here, this trend line to the upside. So if I see a breakout, then I am expecting the market to create a new high. But there are still chances of the market correlating right down within this very triangle before it will ride up. What I mean is there is tendency the market, moving right down and then go back down before it will finally break this very line, and then we'll see the market go right up. So right now, I am still very much optimistic about the price of Bitcoin and it's rising drastically. So how will you trade your next position? Right now we are seeing the correction in the market. A correction is coming to the market right here. So allow the correction to go right down before you can take another position. And then if you see a breakout of this very red line here, then know that the price of Bitcoin is going to rise to about $55,000 to $58,000, my next predicted price level. So that is that, guys, for this very analysis on BTC. So if I take a look at SO right here, I told you guys to buy SO in my previous video as well. If you look at the price of SO right here, I told you guys to buy SO around this very area in my previous video as well, and you see the price have rise far away to this very area. So if you bought here and then price is right now at $157 for one SO. So that is that, guys. It is very important for you to do your technical analysis very well and position yourself in line with the bigger participants in the market. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. If you want to enroll for Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the contacts in the description of this video and get in class with me directly. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for subscribing, and thank you very much for watching as well. And I will see you in the next video.